If you have an old BT alarm monitoring service, then it's likely that it needs replacing, as BT is switching off the old PSTN telephone exchange infrastructure and replacing it with a modern IP-based system. Replacing your BT Redcare alarm monitoring is relatively easy. The three things that need doing are: 1. Replace the old Redcare communicator for a new digital communicator. 2. Connect the communicator to your internet router. Please note your old communicator would have connected to your telephone line, which is likely to be in a different location. 3. Sign up to a new alarm monitoring contract, for example with us, AMCO Security. If you need police response, check that your URN is current and working. 1. Replacing your Redcare alarm communicator. First, you need to select an alternative communicator that is IP-based. Importantly, the communicator needs to be dual path, i.e. have a backup path like GSM. We recommend either the CSL Dualcom or AMCO's LiveTalk. To physically replace the communicator, you need to remove the existing Redcare communicator and rewire the new replacement communicator. 2. Network connection. Next, you need to connect your new dual-path communicator to your network. Please note that your new communicator needs to be connected to your router rather than your old PSTN telephone line. This can be the most complicated part, as the router is often located far away from where the main alarm panel is. You should also test the GSM connection too, and make sure you have a strong enough signal by installing the appropriate aerial. 3. Set up a new alarm monitoring service. Finally, you need to set up a new alarm monitoring service and connect your alarm to the alarm receiving center. A good reliable option is to change to AMCO alarm monitoring. Please note, if you want Type A police response, you need to check that you have a valid URN, unique reference number, set up with the police. This needs to be done via your burglar alarm installer. If you need any help or want to move to AMCO's alarm monitoring service, please contact our team via email or via phone.